20 Minutes Setswana presents
Abuti!
Hello Abuti, say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today we're learning about things you find in the kitchen. Are you ready, kids? What is the word for knife in Sesotho? That's right, tipa. And what is the word for fork in Sesotho? Very good, foroko. Now, what is the word for plate in Sesotho? That's right, polete. And the word for spoon in Sesotho?
Baba!
That's right, khaba. And what is glass in Sesotho? Very good, galase. And pot in Sesotho? Pizza. So, we have tipa, foroko, polete, khaba,
Baba!
galase, and pizza. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Salahantle.